Hello mga ka-Health Real Talk! Did you know the human nose can detect over 1 trillion scents? Oo, ganun katalented ang ilong mo. Kaya pala kahit malayo, naaamoy mo na agad ang chismis. Hindi pa nagsisimula ang kwento, umaamoy ka na. Pero alam mo ba, ang pang-amoy ay isa sa pinaka-powerful na sense natin. Isang singhot lang, pwedeng magbalik ng memory. Amoy kape, amoy ulan, amoy bahay ni Lola. Pero sana, gamitin din natin yung super nose natin sa tama. Amuyin natin yung genuine, yung energy ng tao. Yung totoong sinasabi o puro hangin lang. At kung mabaho na yung environment, hindi lang literal, kundi toxic na emotion, maybe it's time to step out and breathe something fresh. Your nose was made to help you survive, not to sniff around other people's business. So instead of chasing chismis, why not follow the scent of peace, growth, and positivity? This is your Health Real Talk, reminding you that when life stinks, you always have the choice to breathe in something better. Ako po si Arlene para sa Health Real Talk. Have a nice day, everyone.